Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 12th lesson, verbs. What is verbs? Verbs is action words. Means it talks about the person, what he is doing. That is a verb. Okay. So for example, he walks very slowly. Walks is a verb here. Why? It tells something about a person. What he is doing? He's doing walking. Okay, that is means a person's means verb tells about a person or things, what it or what he or she is doing, action. Okay. Am, are, is, and was, were are the helping verbs. Okay. So these are talks about the state of a person or things. Verbs show so are, am, is. Their past tense form are was and were. Okay. See, it is a beautiful picture. Is means it talks about the, it tells something, it tells the state of the picture. Okay. Next comes to have, has, had. So have, has, had shows the ownership of the person or things. Okay, it shows the something is belongs to someone. Okay. So Shruti had a red ball. So it tells had means she has, she that is belong to her. Okay. Has, have, and had are used to show that what a person or things owns or has. Okay. Now we'll see this exercise. Circle the verbs in these sentences. Some sentences have more than one verb. Okay. Mona has a big dog. Has. The children danced to the music for 2 hours. Danced. The bull had 2 horns, but it broke one in a fight. Had and broke. There are many kinds of sweets in the shop. Are. You should stand at attention while singing the national anthem. Should. Singing. Okay. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Was. Sorry, should and stand. The baby sat in a chair and ate its meal. You should stand at attention while singing the national anthem. Should and stand. Okay. The baby sat in a chair and ate. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Was. The baby sat in a chair and ate its meal. Sat and ate. The crowd of people clapped after the leader's speech. Clapped. The peacock was beautiful feathers. Peacock has. Ali woke up early today. Woke. Understood? Next comes to helping verbs. Verbs can act as helping verbs to other verbs. So there are Shakti is singing a song. Here singing is a main verb and is a supportive verb or helping verb. Okay. So is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had are used as helping verb. Okay. Next. Circle the main verbs and underline the helping verbs in these sentences. I'm going home for Christmas. I, main verb, am, helping verb. Priyanka was playing chess with her friend. Was is a helping verb. Playing is a main verb. They were planning a holiday in Ladakh. Where is a helping verb. Planning is a main verb. Kumar is meeting his cousins today. Is his helping verb. Meeting is main verb. The king was sitting on his throne. Was is helping verb. Sitting is main verb. My summer vacation has started. Has is helping verb. Started is main verb. I have finished my homework. I have is helping verb. Finished is main verb. Okay. Here am is a going is a main verb. Okay. Next comes to let us write. Minnie visited Jojo's farm over the weekend. Complete Minnie's description of what she saw on the farm using the verbs given in the box. Jojo's farm dash full of noisy animal. Is. The geese dash and the cows dash. Cackle and cows moo. Every morning Jojo dashed them food to eat and water to drink. Gives. He also dashed a pair of horses. He also has. He also has a pair of horses. He is very proud of them. When I was visiting the farm, there was a storm. The cattle dash restless. The cattle Cattle grew restless. Somehow the gate of the stable dash and all the animals dash out. Stable opened and all the animals ran out. The cattle dash a lot of noise. The cattle made a lot of noise. Then Jojo dashed up. Jojo came out and took them inside and locked the gate properly. Understood? This is about the verbs. Tomorrow we will see simple present and present continuous tenses. Okay? Thank you.